Eclectic Designs by Catherine and www.AllFreeBeadedJewelry.com presents How to Attach Fold-Over Crimp Cord Ends. You will need fold-over crimp cord ends, a clasp, jump rings, cording, make sure it will fit your cord end size, 2 pairs of pliers, strong glue like epoxy, paper towel, and toothpicks. Apply a little glue to the crimp cord end. Place the cord in the crimp and fold in one side of the crimp. Carefully fold in the other side of the crimp. Your fingers will touch the glue, so wash up immediately after you are done. Repeat last step for the other side. If needed, trim any excess cording. Attach the clasp using the jump rings. This video is brought to you by Eclectic Designs by Catherine and www.AllFreeBeadedJewelry.com.